Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve test paper 17 of chapter 17, construction of quadrilaterals. One question is written here. Question number 7. Two opposite angles of a parallelogram are 3x minus 2 degree and 50 minus x degree. The measures of all its angles are. So let ABCD be a parallelogram. ABCD be a parallelogram. Angle A and angle C. Opposite angles. Suppose angle A equal to 3x minus 2 degree and angle C equal to 50 minus x degree. So in parallelogram ABCD, in parallelogram ABCD, angle A equal to angle C. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So that implies 3x minus 2 degree equal to 50 minus x degree. That implies 3x minus x by transposition plus x. 50 degree minus 2 by transposition change into plus 2 degree. That implies 3x plus x equal to 4x equal to 52 degree. That implies x equal to 52 degree by 4 equal to 13 4 ja 52 13 degree. Therefore angle A equal to angle C equal to 3x minus 2 degree. 3x minus 2 degree equal to 3 into 39 degree minus 2 degree. Sorry. 3 into 13 degree minus 2 degree. 13 3 the 39. 39 minus 2 equal to 37 degree. Answer. Now angle B angle B angle A plus B, sorry, angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So that implies 37 degree plus angle B equal to 180 degree. That implies angle B equal to 180 degree minus 37 degree equal to 10 minus 7 3 degree, 8 minus 7 minus 3 4 and 1 143 degree. Therefore angle B equal to angle B equal to 143 degree. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, Next question is question number 10. In this question, in a square PQRS, if PQ equal to 2x plus 3 cm and QR equal to 3x plus 5 cm, then x equal to, so a square PQRS, 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 in which PQ equal to 2x plus 3 and QR equal to 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5, then x equal to PQ equal to QR. Sides of a square are equal. Sides of a square are equal. So that implies 2x plus 3 equal to QR equal to 3x minus 5. Solve it. 2x plus 3x by transposition change into minus 3x equal to minus 5 plus 3 by transposition change into minus 3. So 2x minus 3x equal to minus x equal to minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. Minus to minus cancel. That implies x equal to 8 cm answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 3 of test paper 17. Question number 12. Question number 12. How many diagonals are there in a hexagon? How many diagonals are there in a hexagon? So, let the number of sides be n. N equal to 6. Hexagon has a 6 side. N equal to 6. So, the number of diagonals of a hexagon equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. Let number of sides equal to n equal to 6. So n into n minus 3 by 2, n is 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2. 2 3 is 6 equal to 3 into 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Equal to 3 3 is 9. So number of diagonals equal to 9. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 13. Today it is last question. In this question, each interior angle of a polygon is 135 degree. How many sides does it have? Suppose let the required number of sides. Let the required number of sides be n. Let the required number of sides be n. So according to question, each interior angle equal to 135 35 degree. That implies each interior angle of n sides polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree by n equal to 135 degree. By transposition, remove the bracket, n into 180 degree. So 180 degree n minus 2 into 180 degree equal to 360 degree. N by transposition changing to multiply. So 135 degree n. Now by transposition 180 degree n minus 135 degree n equal to minus 360 degree by transposition 360 degree. 180 degree n minus 135 degree n. That implies 10 minus 5 degree. 10 minus 5 Here 7 minus 3 4 45 degree n. 35 5 plus 5 40 plus 40 180. So 45 degree n equal to 360 degree. That implies n equal to, find the number of sides, n equal to 360 degree by 45 degree. 9 times, 9 5 is 45 and 9 4 is 36, 40 degree. Degree to degree cancel also. And 5 8 is 40. So n equal to 8. Answer of this question. Ashwin, understand and write it. Students, today your homework is solve test paper 17. Thank you. That's all.